Hello guys, and welcome back. So in the last video I left you with a task to add the functionality for reply, copy and delete. Okay, so for those of you who have done it, well done. And then for the other who haven't managed, it's still fine. We'll still do it because we are still in the learning course. So thank you for attending and trying. Okay, so now let's do this. So first let's start with a reply. So we know that if we want to reply, we need to pop this and then come. If we click here, this needs to pop and then we have to bring up that reply widget here. Okay, great. So for that we need to change the way we are popping this. Okay, here we are just returning a boolean. Okay, so let's change it inside the context direction. Remember, here we're returning a boolean, and then here we're checking if this boolean is there. We show the bottom sheet. Okay, now instead of returning a boolean, let's return more things here. Let's return a string. So if we are in the plus here, we are going to return this. Okay, copy that and paste it there. All right, and then that's it. Now we need to copy this same code, and then we come down to where our menu is here. Okay, so here we will need to return now the item. Okay, instead of this, let's return the item that we have clicked on. Okay, we just need to return the item. All right, so we'll set the state, we'll do the animation, and then after that we are going to pop. Okay, great. Now if we come back here where we are getting this, now it's no longer a boolean, now it's a string. Okay, and then here let's also name it as item. And then here, before now, we don't need to check this. First of all, let's make sure if it's not now, we don't do anything so that we avoid that error. Okay, so if okay, yeah, Copilot is checking for us. Here we want to check if item is equal to now, we want to return. Okay, so if the item is equal to now, if there's nothing like before, the users just cancelled it, like he has clicked outside, we want to return. Okay, we'll return here. And then if not, we want to create a switch statement here. So let's just let Copilot do it. Okay, Copilot has done it. Let's click tab. So here on reply, if the item is equals to reply, we are going to do exactly what we are doing here, just to reply. Okay, so we are getting this error because it's the same running async across async app. So this will make a method. We won't call it here. And then on the copy, we just need to copy to clipboard, and then on the delete, we will make this method for deleting. Okay, so this one, let's comment it out. So this is the same thing that was happening here. So also we can just call, where is that method? On context menu clicked. Okay, this is just the same thing of calling on context menu clicked. All right, so I think let's just call this one on context menu clicked. All right, so instead of calling that switch statement, yeah, we can, because we already have it up there. Here let's not call it, let's just call two methods here. This switch statement, we've already made it. Here let's just check if we're just going to check if we have a plus icon, if item is equal to our plus icon. Okay, so this one, let's go copy it, not that, let's go just copy it here. Where's our plus icon? This. So if this is the item, where is that? Here. let's remove the extra code. It has to be done. If the item is this one, we know what to do, which is this. Okay, come on, let's cut it and paste it there, and then we can remove this. In the else, we know that it's not the plus, it's one of those items. Okay, so in the else, we'll just call our method on context menu, clicked, put the item, and then we are going also to put the element, and then that's it. That's all we need to do that. So now what we're gonna do is, okay, here also let's add this delay. Okay, let's copy that and then paste it here, and then now let's cut this and put it here. So on context menu, clicked. Okay, now let's hot reload. So if okay, let's wait for it. Let's get inside here. If I hot reload here, now I can do reply. You can see that it's happening. I can copy, it's copied to the keyboard, and then we can also delete the method that we haven't created. Also, maybe to colorize this, we can also put this delete in red if we want. Okay, but I'm also not going to do that now. So now that this context menu is done, let's work on aligning this as well. Okay, so to align this, we just need to go back inside here, and then here, where are the alignments now? That's what we are looking for. Like this one, we're just going to check here if it is me. Okay, what is it called? Is I know we passed it. We passed is my message. Okay, so we're going to call widget dot is my message. So if it is my message, we will align it to right, else we're going to align it to left. Okay, so where else, let's go. I think it's we don't have any alignment here. Okay, no, here on this message. Okay, on this hero animation. Also, again, let's check if widget dot is my message will show that. In the else, we have that alignment left. Okay, alignment align. Where is our message? Where is our method? Align message left. All right, so this is going to be a message dot it's going to be widget this side, widget dot message, and then we are also going to pass the view only. Okay, because we don't want this to be swiped, and then we also don't want it to be playing this video. Then that's all. Also this one, let's check a widget dot is my message. We are going to show that, else we are going to show that. That's about it we need to do. Let's hot reload. Now we can try this. Okay, it's still loading. Let's wait for it. So let's click there, and then now we can try this. You can see that it's aligning. Now we just need to put the padding as well. So where is the padding? Here. Okay, so also here on the padding, we should just check here. It's just a simple check. If widget dot is my message, we're going to show this padding. In the else, let's put the else here. We're going to put the padding to the left. Let's hot reload, and then let's try it. Yeah, So the padding, maybe it's even unnecessary to add the padding here like this. We can just add one padding and then do only left and then right. Yeah, no need to put the bottom. We just put both sides because we know we are only showing one at a time. Let's hot reload. So this side, okay, let's wait for it. We are too fast. So this side it's working, this side it's also working. Great, guys. So now we are done with these reactions, and then we have these nice animations. In the next video we now need to move on to the groups. I think we are done here. I think we are satisfied with what we have in the reactions here. So let me just put this love. You can see now everything is working. I think we are done in this class. Okay, I can't think of anything else. The UI is done, the functions are working. This is only this delete, but this is just a simple thing that you guys can do, but we'll definitely do it. Let's just go to the groups, because these same things, this dialogue, this message widget is the same thing that the groups is going to be using. So we are almost like 80% done in the groups, because we have done most of the things. Okay, so I appreciate for you guys to join this course, and I really love if you could rate it. It helps me a lot to rate if you rate these courses. Okay, thank you guys, and I appreciate for your time. See you in the next video.